What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this new video in which I wanted to do a short showcase of the Fairdesk exchange, including teaching you how you can get some free USDT. Now first of all, I do want to say that I am partnered by Fairdesk, so I'm not getting paid to do this video, but I am an affiliate, so if you sign up I do get a reward, I believe. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure either myself. But I wouldn't make this video, of course, if I didn't think that you could really gain something with this. That's not the point of this channel. I'm only making this video because I genuinely do believe that you can get some free USDT. So first of all, Fairdesk is a crypto exchange. It's mainly based around trading, so USDT futures, but you also have a spot market, which is relatively small until now, but still it is right there. As you can see, I have some money on this exchange too. I use it for trading sometimes too, like today when I used it to trade the inflation rate numbers. Also made some money off of that, but obviously very risky. So let's get right into it. That's the exchange. You can easily register using the link down in the description. That's my affiliate link. And if you sign up, what you can then get, first of all, they had the deposit carnival, which is over right now, but it's a sign of things to come. Fairdesk usually has some of these special bonus promotions, such as the deposit carnival, where in this case you could earn up to $5,000 if you just deposit $100 in dollars, euros, but also crypto. So you can just transfer crypto from your exchange, for example, to Fairdesk, and then you can either keep it on Fairdesk, you use it to trade there, but you can also just deposit it, see if you can actually get some bonus like this, and then just transfer it back to your exchange, right? That's your choice. But apart from that, some bonuses that they always have, so that's relevant either way. So they will have more deposit carnivals, or at least more promotion campaigns, but the promotions they have right now, which you can find under bonuses if you eventually sign up, is first of all the KYC bonus. That's just a $2 bonus, which is free. So that's already $2 free. Apart from that, they also have the deposit bonus up to $600. So that is if you make a deposit over or equal to $100 in cryptocurrencies, but also just in USDT, whatever you want. And what you can then do is you can go over to your wallet, or to your account, I mean. To your account, and you can from your wallet get it over to your contract account, and then you will get 5% of the amount you placed over to the contract account in bonus. So already, I mean, if you do 100 USDT, for example, you'll get $5, which is the bare minimum. So then you would have already gained $7 for free, which might not be a lot for you, but it is for free. You'll get it in a bonus, and you can trade with that, and the results of those trades you'll actually get as real money. You can transfer that to your exchange. If you need any help with that, please let me know in Discord or in the comments. I will gladly help you with that. Apart from that, also a $15 bonus if your total open position trading volume reaches 30,000 USDT after the first deposit is made, which is something while using margin and while using leverage is something you can really get to. And apart from that, I mean, this is only if you deposit 100 USDT. Where, for example, if you deposit 1,000 USDT, and again, you can just deposit it, transfer that from your exchange into Fairdesk, get the bonus, and then transfer it back to your own exchange. Or you might like Fairdesk and use it there. But for example, if you do that, you deposit or you transfer that 1,000 USDT to Fairdesk, you'll get a 50 USDT bonus, right? So that would definitely be worth it in my opinion, and I also did that. And apart from that, for example, if they have another promotion, which I would definitely promote too, you would have gained another 5% on top of that. Let's say you deposited 1,000, you would have gained another 5%, leaving you with 100 USDT bonus, which isn't the case right now, but that goes to show what their bonus campaigns can do for you. And that's why I'm making this video. If you need any help with the bonus and how that works, as I said, let me know in Discord. I will gladly help you, because I really do think that this can help you too, get you some free USDT. And apart from that, I think it's a very simple, easy to use exchange, and I use it myself too. Well, I'm quite critical for what exchanges I use. So that was the video. As I said, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.